Google takes shopping 3D, GPT 4.1 is now available in chat, Higgsfield release a mind-blowing update, Perplexity partners with PayPal, Android gets updates ahead of I/O 2025, Optimus shows off some crazy dance moves, Google's Alpha Evolve kicks off the Singularity, OpenAI launches Codex, and get ready for robot MMA this May. All this and more in this week's AI Roundup. Take a deep breath. There's no Grok 3.5 yet, and it's not likely going to drop this week. Elon Musk replied to a post about Grok 3.5 timelines by saying 3.5 is still too rough around the edges, needs another week or so. It's hard to decipher the true nature of the delay, but perhaps the latest update to Gemini 2.5 Pro made it too difficult to launch a model that would top the coding charts. There's a lot of expectation on Grok 3.5 after Grok 3 performed so well. Releasing a model that didn't hit number one on a bunch of benchmarks would feel like a fail. Google are looking to help enhance the whole online shopping experience by making it far simpler to create 3D product visualizations. In a new concept, sellers can add as few as 3 images of their product, and then Google's generative video model, Veo, is used to produce an interactive 3D model for the user to explore. This will put 3D models into the hands of even the most modest of sellers without requiring expensive, specialized equipment. With the amount Higgsfield ships, it's honestly hard to keep up. Today, Higgsfield has released Effects Pack 3, extending their library of cinematic visual effects by a further 9. These include Morph Skin, Glow Shift, and the creepy Skin Surge. There's even one effect that they've had to censor on their promo video called Head Explosion. I guess it's easy to guess why it had to be censored. And finally, an ex-user posted a demonstration of a camera application where the app is capable of describing what it sees in real time. It's quite incredible to see the accuracy and speed of the translations, but even more incredible is the fact that it's all running locally on a MacBook M3. The application was built using SmolVLM, a small yet efficient vision language model that's available on Hugging Face. This is another one of those moments where you really start to see the power of AI outside of its typical text prompt inputs. With Google's I/O 25 event only 1 week away, today they hosted a special Android show to showcase some of the coming features in Android 16. Of course, AI in Google's Gemini model was featured heavily. The excellent Gemini Live Assistant will be integrated directly into the camera of Android devices, and Gemini will be placed at the heart of all Google tech, including wearables and Android Auto. Google's aim is to deliver a seamless AI assistant that can communicate across all of your devices and connect across all of your apps. Look out for more big updates at next week's event.
Older people use ChatGPT as a Google replacement. Maybe people in their 20s and 30s use it as like a life advisor or something, and then like people in college use it as an operating system.
That was Baby Sam Altman explaining how the generations use ChatGPT differently. With the exponential acceleration of AI, the technology gap between generations is only going to widen. Those who grow up with AI being ubiquitous in the world are going to think about things very differently. Mem0 or perhaps Memo have launched Open Memory MCP, an extension of the Model Context Protocol that has gained widespread adoption through this year. Open Memory is an MCP service that adds private memory to any MCP-compatible clients. This means that context can be retained and shared between services, allowing for far more meaningful interactions between AI models. It's a fascinating concept, and we'll be watching this one closely. And finally, we may not be getting Grok 3.5 quite yet, but this update on the Tesla Optimus robot almost makes up for it. In the video, we see Optimus performing a dance and demonstrating incredible agility and motion. Less than a year ago, this would have been thought of as impossible and dismissed as a fake AI video. Today, this is a reality. No wonder Elon Musk is so optimistic about the Optimus. A month after OpenAI launched GPT 4.1 as an API-only model, they have unleashed the shackles and announced that it will now be available in ChatGPT directly. GPT 4.1 offers a significant coding performance update, and it will be warmly welcomed by many users. It should be rolling out to Plus, Pro, and Team subscribers over the coming days. Testing Catalog News has reported that Perplexity is planning on rolling out a new travel experience feature along with dedicated tabs in the navigation for shopping and finance. The travel feature will search the web for appropriate places to stay and points of interest based on your desired location and propose an itinerary for you. But how do you pay for the holiday that Perplexity designs for you? Well, Perplexity is planning to help you with that too. Alex Chris, CEO of PayPal, has announced that they're entering into a partnership with Perplexity, enabling users to make purchases directly within Perplexity's chat interface using PayPal or Venmo. This collaboration is part of Perplexity's wider strategy to turn their platform into a service that is great for shopping products of any kind. Perplexity are going all in on trying to steal some of Google's lunch. CodeRabbit has unveiled that their AI-powered code review tool is now integrated into popular IDEs like VS Code, Cursor, and Windsurf. CodeRabbit aims to deliver real-time code review capabilities for developers, providing instant, context-aware feedback on code and the ability to identify bugs and security vulnerabilities. The objective is to reduce the manual effort and time required for code reviews. AI coding is a controversial subject, but tools that reduce the manual labor of processes like code reviews will be welcomed by many. And finally, the Tesla Optimus robot wasn't satisfied with the little teaser that Elon Musk shared yesterday. Today, the Optimus showed off even more of its dance moves, going through several different styles, including a spot of ballet. And this time, there was no tether attached. Has the Tesla bot just confirmed its spot as the leader of the robotics race? We think so. Google DeepMind has unveiled AlphaEvolve, a Gemini-powered coding agent for algorithm discovery. Google say that this agent is able to design faster algorithms, find new solutions to math problems, improve chip designs, and deliver more efficient AI training. Google have already put this to work in the past year, where it's been able to optimize data center scheduling, assist in hardware design, and enhance AI training and inference. They also applied the agent to a series of geometry and maths problems, and they claimed that in 75% of cases, it was able to rediscover the best solution known so far, but in 20% of cases, it actually improved upon the previously best known solutions. This means AlphaEvolve was actually able to make new discoveries. The concept of an AI singularity has several different definitions, but it almost always includes some form of recursive self-learning. It's easy to see why this announcement is being treated as a groundbreaking moment. Google also announced that Gemini Advanced now connects with GitHub, making it an even more powerful coding assistant. This allows users to use the import code action to paste the URL of any public or private GitHub repo. Once the GitHub repo is connected, you can generate and modify functions, get explanations for complex code, ask questions about your codebase, ask for assistance with debugging, and more. This is a fantastic feature that is likely to get a lot of attention from the coding community. 11 Labs have announced an amazing new soundboard tool. The SB1 Infinite soundboard allows you to make any kind of sound effect from a text prompt and then store those effects against a series of buttons to create a completely custom soundboard. Effects can also be looped and mixed together to make it behave more like a drum machine. We love this idea. It's a fairly simple concept, but it's likely to unleash all kinds of fun and creativity. And finally, the battle of the bots continues to heat up, and China is taking the word battle literally. This isn't MMA, it's MCA, or Mech Combat Arena. Sometime in late May, this robot fighting tournament will be broadcast on Chinese TV, where several different teams will compete to see which robot can KO their opposition. Of course, we can't wait to see how this one plays out, but we really wonder if pitting the robots against each other could severely backfire one day. This morning, OpenAI announced the release of Codex, an AI software engineering agent that can write code, fix bugs, and handle multiple tasks in parallel. This is more than just a coding assistant. It's designed to be autonomous and can develop code in the background while you work on other things. Codex is powered by a new model called Codex 1, and OpenAI claim that this is their best coding model to date. This all comes less than 10 days after OpenAI acquired Windsurf for $3 billion. It's clear that OpenAI is looking to be seen as a leader in the AI coding arena and as the first choice for enterprise-level code creation. Let's see if Google has anything that can compete with this when I/O 2025 kicks off next week. Higgsfield have been attracting lots of interest since their launch, as they've been able to demonstrate such high-quality visual effects. Today they showcased their new advertising tool, Higgsfield Ads. which transforms a single product photo into an amazing looking advertisement. There are already more than 40 templates and 80 different motion styles to choose from, making the whole process quick and easy. This will be an absolute game changer for small companies and startups looking to produce some incredible marketing on a tiny budget. But will it be enough to attract some more serious commercial interest? And finally, Tesla's full self-driving system just passed one of the ultimate real-world tests. It successfully navigated around the notoriously complex Arc de Triomphe roundabout in Paris, demonstrating its capability to handle one of the most challenging driving environments in the world. If you haven't been keeping an eye on the progress of Tesla's FSD, this will show you just how far it has come. If the Tesla can handle this, then it seems like it's ready for pretty much anything.